The next step we're going to do is we're going to add a table below the image that will contain links to the other pages in our website. And remember, we're going to have 6 pages in our website. Now, to control the layout of elements on a web page, we often use tables. So we're going to select the image and then do Insert Table. And the first little window comes up, allows us to determine where this new table is going to be replaced with respect to the element we just selected. So with respect to this image, we want it after. That then brings up a new window that allows us to specify the size of the table. So we're going to need 1 row, 6 columns, so that's good. And then we want it 780 pixels wide. We set this to 1 and we set this to 2. If any of this is set to a different value, just make it 16, 122 and make this 780. And now we click OK. And what we now see is a table appear below the image, as well as some additional code in the HTML part of our window. You also see that there are some changes in the DOM panel. And the DOM panel essentially gives us a summary of the tags that we have. So if we click on table here, if we expand that, we get table body. If we expand that, we get TR. If we expand that, we get TD, and so on. Table body is obviously the body of the table. This is table row, and this is table column. This is the column of the table. So we're going to click on the first one, and you see that this border appears. I'm going to type home in there. And you see home will appear here as well. If you don't like the space in front of it, NBSP is no break space. We delete it here, and you see that home then gets closer to the front of the cell. Now we can do this with the other cells as well. So in this one, we want products. Okay, and again, you see that by default it keeps this space in here. Let's get rid of that space. And then what we'll do is, rather than do it at the top half, we're going to do it at the bottom half. So we're going to add 4 more cells, namely gifts, recipes, place an order, type this right, and contact us. And as you see, whatever changes we make here are reflected in what we get in the top half as well. So let's save this. So file, save. So we have this saved as well.